Hi there, this is Tom from iCourse. Today I'm going to show you a little bit how to work with sheets in Excel. So if you look here at my Excel sheet, I've set up a little model. This model is in the sheet total. If you look down here, I have 4 sheets, but I haven't set up this model on these other sheets yet. So let's do that. The first trick, so the thing is, people tend to just go into, they for example go in like here, they do copy, then they go into the first one and they paste it, they go to the second one and they paste it. Of course you could do that, but then again, if you had like 12 different sheets or more sheets, this would be quite exhausting. So the trick is here that you can actually group sheets together and write the same thing in the sheets all at one time. So look here now, I'm clicking on the first sheet here and I'm grouping it with grouping them together with using my shift key. So I click on the first one, shift, and I click on the last one. So now these are groups. If you look up on the left side here, it says grouped in the next to the file name. Actually, what I want to do now, I need to copy the numbers first. So I copied the model, Control C to copy, click on the first sheet, shift, click on the left sheet, and now I'm actually going to paste this model into all of the sheets at the same time. If you look down here now, you'll see that you have Q to Q4. They're kind of marked a special way with white now. So if I click on total now, it's going to be ungrouped. And now you're going to see this magic trick here. If you click on the Q1, you're going to have the same formula in each of the, or model in each of the sheets. So then B3 is my start, B2 is my start. That was not good. Let me just move it a bit down. So it should start at B2. So I click here, group it, and just move it one up like this. Okay then, now it should be just the same. So B and C, B and C. So what I will do now, I'm gonna make a formula that sum up Q1 to Q4 in this total sheet. So normally people will do like this. They will do equal and they go to Q1, 20,000 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. This takes a lot of time, enter. Of course then, I could copy it down now, so it doesn't take that long time, but I will learn you a quicker and faster way to do this. Of course I could do like this now, and I would have a sum up for the different sheets here. But let me show you another trick. What I actually can do, I can use a sum function and use these group sheets technique. So what I will do now, I will write equal sum tab, and I click on the first tab, sheet Q1, press shift, click on the last one, and now I will choose the cell, and now magically hit enter, and this is actually showing me this is a sum function, but I'm summing sheets from Q1 to Q4, and then I choose my cell at the end. So this is a great way of summing up across sheets. Not all the functions can do this, but some can do average and these normal statistical functions. So I'll do it one more time and then I'll just do copy. Equal sum tab, click on the first sheet, press shift, click on the last sheet, and then I click on the cell. If you see up here now, Q1 to Q4 and C4 cell. And now I have my here. And I will just copy it down now for the ease of it. Copy it down. And I can just copy it all the way down. And I'll just delete this one here now. And I will do a sum formula and do the net result as well. So I'll just hit AutoSum. Very well then, AutoSum, no problem. And then the net result will be equal 512 minus 428, and voila, there is your sum. So now you see you have all this is connected, Q1 to Q4. And if I change one number here, if I change this one to 50,000 for example, that's an increase in 30,000. Now you're gonna see that it has changed all over. So now this was 110. If I go back, you will see that it was 80. So that will be it for now. So remember that you can group sheets together and write the same thing in every sheet to make a model. And then you can use group sheet when you do sum formulas and other formulas. Yes, that will be great. Thank you for listening and welcome back later on.